So, compound interest. Oh, ba't ba yun? Ayan, compound interest. Compound interest, the amount earned for 1 year calculated by multiplying the principal by the interest rate. So, kapag medyo mahaba yung transaction ninyo, ginagamit yung compound interest. So, paano ba siya ginagamit? So, ito yung mga kailangan tandaan. Compound amount, yung given na principal, tapos yung given time interval. That is the compound amount. Compound interest naman, yung original principal minus compound amount. Yung compound amount nito, yung interest na ninyo. Kasama, yung interest yan. Compound amount is your interest. Tapos, compound interest, para makuha yan, yung original ninyo subtracted by the compound amount. Ito yan. Then, term, nakakalculate siya kung gaano kahaba yung time. Term pa rin is for the time. So, meron tayong mga time interval. You have annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly. Pag annually, syempre, isang beses lang kayo magbabayad, 1 period lang. Semi-annually, twice. So, 2 periods. Quarterly, 4. Monthly, so 12. Nakadivide lang siya. Yes, parang tuition. Very good. Ito yung sa tuition. Naka-compound kayo. Next. So we have the nominal rate, the quoted rate which is basis for converting the interest rate per conversion. So kapag annually, so 1%, so ibig sabihin full yung interest na yan. Kung 50%, 50% lang. Kung naka-semi-annually kayo, 50 divided by 2. Kasi half percent lang. So kung quarterly, divided by 4 yung 50 ninyo. Kakaintindihan po ba? Yung pinaka-interest rate, i-divide niyo depende kung ano yung period na ina-avail ninyo. Kung ito ba ay semi-annually, quarterly, or monthly. Okay, so walang problema dito sa nominal rate, ha? So, here are the formulas ng ating compound interest. Formula niya ng compound amount is P multiplied by 1 plus interest quantity N. Formula for compound interest is equals to compound amount minus the principal. So, ito yung mga legends niya. Yung P, original principal, yung principal ninyo. I is the interest rate. Yung rate ninyo mismo. AN, compound amount. IN, compound interest. And periods, kung gaano katagal. Kung yan ba ay 12 months, kung 12 months ba kayo magbabayad, quarterly, or semi-annually. So, here's the example. Find the compound amount and compound interest on a loan of 50,000 at 6% for 6 years compounded semi-annually. Ayan. So, identify muna natin lahat ng given. Ang pinapakompute sa atin is compound amount. Tsaka compound interest. So, ito yung pinapahanap. Ang given sa atin, yung P, which is 50K. Ang R natin is 6%. Tapos, yung time natin, makikita ba? 6 years. Semi-annual. Ayan. So, how can you solve this one? Ano ba ang formula ng compound amount? Anybody? Ano ang formula ng compound amount? Yun. But may IO. So, compound amount, ang formula natin ay AN is equals to P plus ba? One plus IN. So, ito yan. So, ang given natin, 50K. Nominal rate natin, 6%. Interest rate, 6 years. Ay, interest rate. Ang interest rate natin is 6%. So, semi-annually siya. So, di-divide natin by 2. So, that is 3%. So, for 6 years, number conversion, 6 years. So, dahil semi-annually siya, times 2. Kaya siya magiging 12. May question ba bakit naging 3% yung interest rate? Wala naman, sigurado. So, yung principal natin na 50K, yun pa rin naman siya. Yung nominal rate natin na 6%. Tapos, yung interest rate natin, naging 3% dahil yung 6% natin na nominal rate ay di-divide natin sa 2 dahil ito ay naka-semi-annually. Kaya siya ay naging 3% na lang for a whole year. Tapos yung time natin since 6 years dahil dalawang beses na naka-semi-annually. Kaya kayo nag-multiply ng 2. Kaya siya naging 12. So now we can proceed to substitute for the formula. So your P is 50K. AN is equals to P, 50K, multiplied by 1 plus, yung I natin is 3% or 0.03. Then, close parenthesis, yung N natin, that is 12. Yung pinaka-time ninyo. Then, compute lang. Pakikita ko na lang sa calcu. Wala akong calcu eh. So, ito, nakakita ba nasa cellphone? So, 1. Hindi ko lang po nakikita ninyo. Ayan. 1 plus 0.03 close exponent of 12. That is 1.4257 chuchu. Haba eh. That equals times yung ating interest na yung ating principal na 50,000. Kaya siya naging 71,288.044. Nakikita ba? Pwede siya sa cellphone sa calcu. So, kung walang scientific calcu, katulad ko, ayan. Pwede kayo din sa calcu ng cellphone. Kaya siya naging ang ating compound amount is 71,288.044. Then, para naman makuha ninyo yung inyong compound interest, yung compound amount, ito, isusubtract nyo lang siya sa inyong principal, which is 50,000. Then, 71,288.044 minus 50K is 21,288.044. May question ba sa pagkuha nito? Are you sure? Wala. Okay. Kung walang question, kindly